Everybody, I got a package in the mail. We're gonna open it up. Not sure what it is. It might be an item that was sent to me to review and test. I don't know, but we'll see. Please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you there. Alright, so this is the package that came in the mail. It says magnetized material. Empty, other than this little box. It says strong magnet, keep away from credit cards and heart machines and other magnetic surfaces. Fucking fingers are sticky. I spilled a Red Bull peach on my fingers. Okay, this is that 1,770-pound fishing magnet that they wanted me to test and review. That's what it is. It's pretty big. It's got some force behind it. Gotta clean up put some of the tools and crap away. Yeah, it's the same company that sent me that one. They want me to test that one. So it is quite a bit bigger. I don't know, it feels like it took, I don't know, 70 pounds, 80 pounds for me to pull it off the toolbox refrigerator. It's heavy and the refrigerator doesn't want to hold it. It's sliding down. Yeah, so it's pretty strong. It's even sliding on the oven. So it's a pretty strong magnet. I'm not really sure what I'm going to use it for. I don't do magnetic fishing, but I'm just going to leave it on the side of the toolbox where I left the other one. So I guess I'll review it later or whatever. Just another box for me to throw away. You know, it's just a magnet. It seems pretty strong though. You know, I gotta put all this stuffing down here in the shed in case I need it to ship something. Yesterday was just a long day. I forgot to put all this stuff away. Put this back in my pocket. But we'll do a review on it. Maybe I'll do a video going out to a lake and seeing what's in the lake. I don't know. It's significantly bigger than the 660 supposed foot-pound capable magnet. This one's supposedly 1,770 foot-pounds capable. So It sticks to the toolbox a lot better than the refrigerator or the big fridge or the stove. And these, it sticks to this refrigerator, but there's not a lot of force to pull it off. See, it's sliding. So most of my refrigerators, I don't think they're that magnetic, but it just clanks right to the toolboxes, and you can see I'm shaking the toolbox just pulling on the magnet. So it's a pretty good magnet. It's sticking to the keys in my pocket. So we'll give it a test. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.